Hello everyone, it is me, and it is you. And today we are going to still be learning about the vowel sounds. Vowel sounds. So let's start. Let's start with vowel sounds. A, 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 A. Let's go with the E. E, E. You got it there. E. I. Okay. Let's go with the O. 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 You see my wide mouth? O. And the last one. You. 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 You are doing great. You're a great student. Okay, let's go with the shorter vowel sounds. Ah, ah, ah. Let's go with the E, E, E. Look at my expression. E. Let's go with the I. 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 Let's go with the O. 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 Let's go with the U. You. 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 You have a mustache. You have a mustache. I can see you there. Okay, this was today's class. I am so grateful to see you, and I know that you're gonna do great. Just keep on watching, keep on learning, and you are awesome. Never forget.